Hello, watchers, viewers, whatever. I'm Gina, the anime fangirl, and a Hitalian. So today I'm going to be doing a voiceover in some Hetalia comics I found online. I'm going to suck, as usual. So let's do it.
Like totally grab my hair.
Fabulous!
Was Alfred being a meanie to you again? The maid outfit in... Oh, God! That maid outfit is wonderful in Romano. Looks so cute. Ah!
Damn it! I did it again! I did it again!
Canada. I was wondering, since I have grown a lot and I'm coming.
Stupid video!
Canada. I was wondering, since I have grown a lot and I'm coming together to in a big nation, and I've been more than sufficient. What does that even say? God, this comment's gonna be such a fail. And you're not really paying attention to me anymore anyway. If I can be my own nation, Okay, this is just a fail. I wasted 1 minute and 34 seconds of your life. I'm sorry. Bye.